Yeah, chlorophylla. Or chlorophycetes, either way. What's that?
A diatom?
Look, yeah, it's good. Desmond, yeah,
Oh.
looks kind of like a diatom, but see how it's got the semicell? Right here is the separation. This is the semicell on this side, this is the semicell on this side. So you got chloroplast, nucleus, isthmus across the middle there. Chloroplast is all the dark stuff, one giant. Nucleus is a darker spot right there in the middle. This one is not very healthy. Should be more green rather than dark like that. What's that? Spirogyra.
Can't even see.
And what is this little thing right here called? Conjugation tube. And this is a what? What do you call it when the sperm and egg fuse?
Zygote?
That's a zygote, or maybe a zygosome. Either way, it's hard to tell. So the zygote becomes zygospores when we get a thick wall around it. That looks like a pretty thick wall. So I call that zygospores. That's just spirogyra. And what are these? What's this little zigzag thing? Chloroplast and little wheel bumps in it. Pyrenoids, stored starch in the chloroplast.
Which is the pyrenoid?
See the little thing looks like buttons kind of? There.
Oh.
Yeah. What genus? No, if it's brown on you, it's Phaeophyta. See the swollen tips to the end? Little branch on them? That's fucus. So this would be a receptacle here. And I think if I get this right, yeah. Now we're looking at a cross section of it. It's a cross section through the receptacle and a little pocket inside that's a conceptacle. You've got Oogonia here. A little tiny antheridia. Magnify that. Now you got Oregonian with legs here, all these big drumstick looking things. These are the antheridia with the sperm up there. So the ones you guys looked at today were unisexual. You had female conceptacles and male conceptacles. But in this species, the male and female are the same conceptacle. Which one's that?
Kelp?
That's kelp. And what's kelp called? Macrocystis. You got, what's this part? Blade. This part? Stipe. These little bubble-like things. Nematocysts.
What's it called?
Nematocyst. With a P, a silent P at the front. I always think this is everybody's favorite, but I don't think this is my favorite. What's this? Not your favorite? Common name is sea palm. Genus is Postelsia. Looks like a little mini palm tree. And they only grow in places of extreme wave shock, so you gotta find a little point of rock sticking out. That's where you find it. Again, it's got a real obvious blade, real obvious stipe. Hold fast, not in the picture. Hey, this is one you guys were, many of you were just looking at. Which one? Right organism, wrong stage. Polysiphonia, but these aren't tetraspores. These are male. These are the male spermatia right here. Spermatogonium with the spermatia in them. This is the Carpegonium, Carpus chlorophytes. Here. That's a more developed one. We can see the Carpus chlorophytes with the carpus spores inside. And there's the tetrasporophyte. This is the tetrasporangium with tetraspores. This is a different genus than what you guys saw. You guys saw one on the paper was called Calliarthron. This one doesn't really matter what the genus is, it's Basiella. But the important thing here is which phylum is this one? Red, brown, or green? Red, so Rhodophyta. And the other thing about this is that it's a coral in algae, has lots of calcium carbonate in the cell wall, so it's hard, like coral. And that makes it so that most things don't eat it. It's kind of cool little plants. This is not a very good picture. This is Egregia, feather boa cup. Just the contrast is too great. It looks black rather than dark brown. But it kind of looks like one in the picture. And that's one we saw a long time ago. Remember that one? First of all, is this eukaryotic or prokaryotic? You don't see any nucleus or anything in the cells, right? So, prokaryotic? Anabina, right. What are these bigger cells called? Heterocysts. Yep. What kingdom is this in?
Bacteria?
Bacteria, yeah. Well, I don't know if I put that on this. I think this is just protists I put on this. But this would be, the phylum would be Cyanophyta, blue-green algae. What shape are those? Really? Autotrophic or heterotrophic? 50-50 chance, take a guess. Hetero, right? How do you know?
I guess.
Yes, okay. It's not green, so it must be heterotrophic. Look, do you recognize this one? Yep, you got a disc cell. I heard disc cell. That's a disc cell. So if that's a disc cell, then what's the filament on the other side of the disc cell called? Formagonia. And this is Oscillatoria. Another blue-green algae. Epoxy. Bacilli. Gleotapsa. So this one kind of tricky. It's prokaryotic, but that's what looks like the nucleus in the middle. That's the cytoplasm, and then we got cytoplasm, got slime around it, and then those are cased in slime, and then a whole group of spores encased in slime. So you can tell it's not a eukaryotic cell because of the way they're patterned. Eukaryotic cells would not be clustered together in increasing multiples of 2. What's that? No, not for this one. For the animal test, I'd give you a word bank on one of them because of tons of words. This is just diatoms. This is what people that study diatoms do in their spare time. Line them up under a microscope and take pictures of them. That's a foraminifera, so that's in phylum Rhizaria. And there's a supergroup Rhizaria.
I thought maybe it was this variation.
So, the supergroup Rhizaria, phylum foraminifera, look like little cells, or not little cells, look like little snail shells, kind of. That's more, there's some more of them there. Yeah.
What's the species name again?
I don't know what the species is. The phylum name is Foraminifera, and it's not a real phylum, it's a pseudophylum. In terms of convenience right now, since there is no official taxonomy for it, so we're calling it phylum Foraminifera, which is what they used to be called in the supergroup Rhizaria. Root-like pseudophytes. That guy you know. That's an amoeba, and the phylum is Gymnoamoeba. And you can see the nucleus, pseudopod, ectoplasm, endoplasm, assorted vacuoles. Plasma membrane, of course, on the very outside. I think that's about all you need to know on that. Get picture quickly. Yeah, in this picture, I can't differentiate a food vacuole from a contractile vacuole in this picture. If there's a, well, I see one that might be it, but I wouldn't bet money on it. So this is kind of transparent round thing, that could be a contractile vacuole. The paramecium, phylum Coleoptera. We've got obviously cilia. On this particular one, you can see all kinds of vacuoles and stuff in there. You can't tell what's what. Radiolarians, more of those Rhizaria, amoebas, but this is a different pseudophylum, Radiolaria. Looks like little glass snail shells kind of in this case. Green algae, Borophyta, skinny desmus, little colony. Another amoeba. This one you can see like a contractile vacuole right there. More diatoms, Bacilli Areophyta. They might have called it Bacilli Areophyta. Nope, Bacilli Areophyta. Paramecium again, and this one you can see stuff. So macronucleus, micronucleus, contractile vacuole, oral groove, cytopharynx. Can't really see the cytosome, it's down there someplace, right out there. This is a dinoflagellate, Chirophyta. You can see the girdling groove for the girdling flagellum right there. Still don't see the flagellum even in this magnification. More dinoflagellates. The girdling flagellum going there. The trailing flagellum comes out down here probably, but you can't see it. Same thing, this one's upside down, girdling flagellum there. Looks like I've got the trailing flagellum right there. And Euglena, flagellum, chloroplast, helical. I think that's the last one. Yep. Okay. So I'll make a quiz.